the Bad Apple, Macintosh.
There were the introductions delivered by one Shane Fair, and this title match is set to begin.
You also heard it here. The crowd seems to have their favorite in Matt Macintosh, but
well, I don't
understand. Have their own challenge.
I don't know how anybody's favorite couldn't be Matt Macintosh. He's athletic, he's powerful, he's got all the tools to make it work, and that is shown very, very vividly by the fact that he is holding the Synergy World title. And the gong sounds and we are on. Both men immediately going after the champion. MV Young and TJ Crawford starting things off fast and furious. And a body drag from MV Young into a shoulder tackle. There's that power already.
Both men already establishing that Matt Macintosh as the champion. He's got to be kicked out of the finish here.
Set of arm drags into a kick to the leg and then a, my goodness, the referee's got to check and make sure that that arm isn't closing in on the windpipe of TJ Crawford.
Watch out!
Uh-oh! Double Hurricane Rana from the Synergy World Champion! Double chop to the chest. Matt Macintosh now feeling it now that he's woken up after these two men just,
what a punch,
just assaulted him at the beginning of this match, double teaming him a little bit. But that's what you get in these big multi-man matches, Mark. You get these weird Tope Suicida! Oh my goodness! From out of nowhere, Matt Macintosh taking out MV Young.
To your point, I was about to say the champion's at a disadvantage in a multi-man match, but you saw here, Macintosh doesn't think he's at a disadvantage whatsoever. He's riding high right now.
Up over the ropes, here comes Matt Macintosh. Oh! Well, that is a bad apple, baby. He is doing what he can to hold on to that world title. Just a 2 count off the low blow.
I don't know why we need
Here
to
comes
see
MV
that.
Young off the top. Double missile drop kick. That was an odd place for MV Young to go as the Steel City Suplex Machine, showing you why he has that incredible nickname with a half and half suplex. And an extended German suplex onto TJ Crawford from MV Young. The American attraction is rolling here in the middle of this match. Uh-oh. What could happen here? Oh my God! TJ. Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
He only had a little trouble there, but still the move was effective. Both men rolling to get away from MV Young. MV's picking on Macintosh's bones here in an attempt for a pin.
Just a 1 count, and Matt Macintosh wisely grabbed the ropes. There's that ring awareness that you get from defending that title wherever you go. He knows inside that squared circle probably better than most of the people in this building. MV Young laying in the leg on the throat there.
Now, I'm not sure how I feel about this, and I wonder if it's partially because Dolce Dahlia's not here guiding him tonight. But TJ Crawford could have rolled out of the ring, recovered a little more from that suplex.
A gigantic half and half suplex.
Let the other two duke it out.
Here comes, oh, nobody home for TJ Crawford there. Overtime now rolling out. Up and over the rope. Jawbuster. Here comes overtime. A shining wizard into the corner. And TJ Crawford taking the time to flip off the front row army. Wait a second. TJ Crawford.
Kick, maybe. Nope, maybe not.
Bounce off the ropes. Here he comes. Nobody home. Backflipping out of that predicament was the Synergy World Champion, Matt Macintosh. Oh, catches the kick under the chin. Fists and feet of fury flying from Matt Macintosh.
And to my point, watch MV Young take his
Oh
time
my
there.
goodness!
Smart wrestling by MV Young.
Well, you got to give not only the ups, but the assist there to MV Young, who assisted giving a Samoan drop to TJ Crawford, who broke up the pinfall there. Matt Macintosh now off in the corner, obviously feeling the effects of that last shot. Little bop and bang action from overtime TJ Crawford, but MV Young not just going to sit there and take it as they fire back and forth. Chops and fists and feet. Uh-oh, here we go. Standing moonsault. Didn't quite get all of it, but he got rolled up. Matt Macintosh floated him over. Here comes Matt Macintosh. A snow to the back of the neck, sent 1-2. Matt Macintosh squeaks away with the victory and holds on to his Synergy World title.